It rains harder and more frequently. Rivers must discharge ever-increasing amounts of water, but rivers confined between higher and higher dikes are getting less and less room, while the land behind the dikes gradually subsides. To protect areas against flooding, the rivers will be given more room. In doing so, we ensure the safety of approximately 4 million people. Work is being carried out at more than 30 locations along our rivers to give water more space. By relocating the dikes inland, the floodplains will become broader. The floodplains can also be excavated, allowing the main river more room to discharge water. The summer bed of the river can also be deepened. High water is obstructed by groins. By lowering groins, water can flow faster. A high water channel is a diked area that branches off from a river to enable a portion of the water to flow via a separate route. If the storm surge barriers are closed during high river discharges, a temporary water storage area is put to use. Together, these measures are the solutions that comprise the Room for the River project. Steps necessary for our safety and beneficial to the spatial quality of the river landscape. Within Room for the River, there is also room for innovation. In the Overdiepse polder, the dwelling mound, or terp, returns. During high water, the river will flow into the polder, and the elevated position of the surrounding farms will ensure protection. An island is added to Nijmegen. By adding an extra channel to the Waal River, a new urban area surrounded by water is created. At the Hondsbroekse, a new spillway construction will enable equal water distribution between the Rhine and the IJssel rivers. These projects are part of a series of measures taken to guarantee our national safety. Careful and intensive collaboration between national and regional governments, businesses, and citizens is therefore of great importance. It is all of this which makes Room for the River a focus of international interest and attention. Room for the River is an example of superior quality and highly innovative water management. It is an area where we have always excelled, and that gives us confidence in a hopeful future.